Hello, this is a short video review of our new rugged 8-inch sunlight readable marine LCD. So you can see here, this is what it comes complete with. The unit itself, which is a rugged chassis with an all-in-one cable. The screen has a touch screen, and it's been optically enhanced for sunlight readability. It uses LED backlights with a brightness of 600 nits. Comes complete with an all-in-one cable and supports standard VGA. The USB connection is for the touchscreen, and then there's 3 composite inputs for 3 different camera inputs, and this is the DC input connection, which supports DC input of 9 to 32 volts, which is ideal for marine and vehicle applications. The all-in-one cable snaps on here to give you this connection, and this length of the cable allows you to I guess waterproof this end of it, because this unit is completely waterproof, and I'm going to show a test a bit later of it running underwater. What else can I tell you about it? Okay, so it supports VESA mounting. It looks like 75mm spacing. It comes complete with this mounting arm, but you can also just use any standard VESA mounting device. It comes complete with an adapter, although in most vehicle applications you won't be using this. A stylus, a remote input to control the brightness and the standard OSD settings, and a manual. Okay, this is a short video review of our new 8.8-inch high bright sunlight daylight readable, completely sealed and waterproof LCD. I've got it on the composite input now. It supports 3 different composite inputs as well as standard VGA, and I'm going to use the remote here to switch to VGA. There it is, showing the web page on it. And let me just get a little closer here. Okay, so it's completely sealed and waterproof. This is a removable VESA mount bracket that you may or may not use. It supports standard 75mm spacing mounting. It's completely sealed and waterproof. 600 nits LED backlights with optical enhancements to give it the daylight and sunlight readability support. All-in-one cable that comes with an extension here to allow you to kind of seal it to this end, but this is not waterproof here. And I'm going to just do a quick water test here as well. Let me get a bucket of water. Alright, so we're going to just dump in this water so you can see it's operating. Upside down. Still works, and it includes a touchscreen as well. I haven't, oh I did, touchscreen is working, but I haven't calibrated it. But there you go. There we go. Alright, so there it is, completely sealed and waterproof, sunlight readable.